Hi Libras, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-September reading and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Alright, so let's see what are my Librans messages from the universe, my guides, spirits and angels. Please guide me for my Librans in the middle of the month. Let's see. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, let's see what is there for my Librans in the middle of the month. September, please. Okay. Okay, let's see. So what's there at the so at the present moment, what's happening with you is the Emperor. So this energy is telling me that there is some kind of a decision which you are making right now, and you are the authoritative person right now who is the you are the king of your own kingdom. So this is that kind of an energy where you are actually making some kind of steps towards something. This might be anything, might be a relationship, might be a job, whatever. Okay, so related to work as well. So what is the obstacle then? Five of Wands. So there might be some conflicts, or I'm seeing that there is some kind of competition. So that is why you are actually being the one, you are actually dedicated towards this situation. You are giving your 100% towards the situation. The only issue is that there are many people involved. So there are when there is a competition in something, there are conflicts. More people is equal to more conflicts. So more words, more statements, I would say, and there's a lot, like more arguments. That is why. So when you are going to take a decision, there are people telling you not to do this or to do this if you don't want to do something. So this is regarding anything which you actually want to do or not to do. So this is a decision which you are making, but people are actually arguing around it, that not to do, and telling you not to do, or basically the opposite of what you want to do. Okay, so what's in the subconscious? The Eight of Wands. So over here we are getting that this is something which you are which you don't want to see, something, some kind of advice from the universe. So this is some kind of a communication, or I would say that some things are really easy, but we always take a long turn towards something. That is something which you are not able to see. You might be even this is some kind of clarity as well. I'm getting that if you really want to talk to someone, if you really want to clear out some kind of talking, so the best way is to talk it out. But you are taking a wrong way, not a wrong way but a long way. Okay, so that is why things are seeming very tough for you, but it's very easy because this is in your subconscious. You don't want to see the actual thing right now, but actually it is very easy. Okay, so what's your past energies? Four of Wands. A lot of Wands are there, Librans, in your energy. So Four of Wands, there might be some kind of a relationship, or might be a marriage as well, because after this conflicts arise with the Five of Wands after the Four of Wands. So when everything is a happy-go-lucky kind of a situation, but all of a sudden things change because of somebody actually doing some kind of manipulation, because this Emperor over here is actually kind of giving me some kind of negative energies as well, because with the manipulation stuff, I would say. So this is that thing. that after such a beautiful beginning or happiness, reunion, anything, something happened, and that is where the conflicts arose. Okay, so what's in your mind? What's in the conscious energy? Four of Swords. So you are taking your time. So you know that you have taken some kind of decision over here, but people around you, they are really not supporting you right now. What you actually want is support, but you are not getting it. So that is why you are taking some time to heal. You are taking some time to think about that situation. You are not going to take a step just, in a harsh way. No, you are going to think about it. You will take time again. So that is what you actually want. That is what your mind wants. Your mind is working in that way, that take some time. If more time is required, take it, but do the action. Whatever you want to do it in a proper way. Okay. What's the future energies with the Ace of Rods? So it's a very new idea of a new beginning, I would say, because over here the decision, you are actually trying to make some decision at the present moment with the Emperor as the first card, and in the future card I'm seeing as the Ace of Rods. That means that you actually want to start something new. Start, at least you have an idea to start something new. This is very passionate energy. This is very, beautiful energy. See how the hand is coming out from the clouds, with the wand, with these beautiful small leaves. So this is like a new beginning, new idea. So that is what you are actually coming up within. When you want something, you at least you start thinking from your brain, then you do it. Actions, they come later. First you think anything. So that is what is happening over here, because you are already taking some time in the Four of Swords over here. In your head, you are already, the planning is going on, but when to make it in action, when to bring it in action, that is something which you actually are thinking about. Okay, so how you see yourself as the Five of Swords. So yes, again I would say that with the Five of Swords and the Five of Wands, two fives over here. So this is something, you are in the middle of a situation where you don't exactly know the reality. So that is why when we are in a situation when we actually have to see the reality, we have to, we have to stand in the middle and observe the four corners, like what is actually happening. When you have to, when the universe is telling you that you really need to observe something, you really need to think about your problems or whatever you are dealing with. People are there, yes, because a lot of manipulation is there, gossiping is there, people trying to hurt others, more of selfishness kind of, a feeling over here, that people around you, they really want their work to be done. But what about you? Are you being selfish or you are not? So you are more into that, let other people guide me, like let other people tell me what to do. So you are in that state, and that is why sometimes you don't even think about your choices by yourself. It's more about how people are telling you to do. So that is what you are doing. How people see you as a Ten of Wands. So people are actually putting a lot of responsibilities over you, pressure, they are pressurizing you. So this is how they are actually looking, environment around you, they are all pressurizing you about something. Whatever the situation is, you are being pressurized by it, and it's like that kind of heaviness, you are actually feeling that kind of heaviness in you now, and you don't want to be in that situation, no, but still you have to be, because responsibilities, they are necessary. Your duty is to take care of others. Your duty is to make happy everyone, to make everyone happy, something like that. What about your happiness then? You're not able to think that. Okay, so advice from the universe. Four of Cups, the lessons which you really need to learn. So you really need to learn to say no. Sometimes when you are not happy about something and you are not satisfied with your life or anything, okay, you are not satisfied with other person's choices, you are not happy with other person's choices, what are other people think, there are difference of opinions. So that is what the universe is telling you. Start saying no. You can do that. Yes, if you can say no to one person, you can do anything. If you don't want to do it, then you can say no. Why to take all the responsibilities over you, over your head? Your back is hurting over here. You are hurting. You just want to throw all these wands on the floor. That is what you want. You just don't want to keep these responsibilities throughout the life. You just want to move on. So that is why sometimes you have to say no. You have to reject some things, some kind of relationship, some kind of responsibilities, basically things which are actually put upon you. Okay, so final outcome with the 8 of Pentacles over here, and we got the future card as Ace of Rods over here. So the final outcome with the 8 of Pentacles over here, sorry, 8 of Pentacles. It's like, when you start actually putting efforts on your work. So I'm really getting an idea over here that this is your idea of a new beginning, and you're actually working on that. You're putting efforts towards that thing, and that is really beautiful, Librans. That is really good. So whatever you want to do over here, you're actually doing. So stop taking other person's work on your head or on your shoulder. Start doing your own work. Whatever you want to do in life, do that thing. All right, so that's all from my side, Librans. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.